Hey guys, welcome to the Fireball Mullet channel. Today I got my Bilsteins in for the rear and I'm excited to get those shocks on. I've always had Bilstein on just about every vehicle that I've owned, and it's time for me to replace these old worn out KYBs, and I think they are GS2s or something like that. I think I got them with the car when I first got it, but it was always one of those temporary things that ended up being 3 years. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna take you guys for a ride and kind of show you how they feel. But you know, if they are what I think they are, I think it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go ahead and got some Bilstein B6, and I love these shocks, and I'm hoping on a Thirdgen, which I've seen good reviews on, for a non-adjustable shock. I think this is gonna be sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. It was pretty easy. Go ahead, climb under the car. I think we're gonna need these. And I'll show you most shocks. You basically have, you hold one side and undo the nut on the other side. These are KYB GR2s. So something I just picked up, I think, when I first got the car, just to freshen the shocks up. But I knew I wasn't gonna keep them in there, but here we are, 3 years later. The way it works. All right, that fits. So that's a 7/8. And then I'll probably just use a trusty dusty. Use a trusty dusty crescent wrench. That's it, cowboys. Well, the shock is still good. It's just gonna expand on out, I guess. Which is fine. Do what you want to do. Just like in living color, you can do what you want to do in living color. All right. There we go. You can see the hole up there. And let's get the other shock, boys and girls, which is nice. Bolts, what you use there. Now, I would suggest that you guys put some anti-seize on these. I don't know, there's always a problem. I am out, so do as I say, none as I do, I guess. Totally up to you. But that would be my recommendation. Just gotta make sure it's in there. Let's kind of seat it, and then we'll compress it. Again. Compress it. And bam. Bam! Then use your new bolt right here. Get it on there. About the same as what it did last time. Let's get our shit. Got all that done. Now we're gonna go up top. Those. Boys and girls, we'll go in here and take care of the other side. Get that in. Washer. Get your bushing, washer, and then nut. And let's see if it'll just take it on down without having to do the Torx bit again. Now when you take them off, unless you have like an impact, probably will work nice. You may have to use a wrench and a Torx bit to kind of, let's see. We're live on the subject. Yeah, you see the bushing kind of compress a little bit, but you don't want to compress it too much. You want it to do its job. So that's where we're at, boys and girls. Pretty much done. I'll get all that back together, but that's basically your shocks. Pretty cool. Get under here and just do a wiggle test. Just change, looks nice. To the other side. Feel the difference dramatically already. The ride is incredible. It's such control. Just Bilstein shocks. I don't care what anybody says. Every time I put these on a vehicle, they just perform. They just feel great. And I know there's conies and adjustables and Viking double adjustables, all those. But man, I gotta tell you, for the type of driving that I do, I don't want to be dialing stuff in right now. Even if I do some tracks, honestly, it's going to be, I'm not going to race enough. It's going to be the driver mod before I can dial shocks in, right? So, you know, that's kind of why I'm thinking, well, I just went ahead and did the Bilsteins, the B6s. Now, I don't have them in the front, and I can feel the front still, you know. I can feel the front not as smooth as the back, like night and day. So, unfortunately, I don't think Bilstein makes a set for the front anymore. So, we may end up getting some conies in the front, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the coney that is OE front struts instead of the adjustable ones, and just go from there. Send it, you know. Smoke them if you got them, I guess is what they say. Smoke them if you got them. Man, when that boost hits, oh my God, it is freaking insane. You can feel it in your chest. I mean, you can just feel that come in right off of idle. It's like, bam, you feel that torque instant. And it's just amazing street driving with the blower. I gotta say, these Bilsteins are everything that I thought they would be on this Thirdgen. It freaking sound, it rides freaking amazing. I love it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to the Fireball Mullet channel. Please subscribe, guys. Look, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell next to it so you can get notifications when these videos hit. So I really appreciate it. Thanks for commenting and all the feedback, and I just love it. Building a community with you guys is awesome, and I feel like I'm getting to know a lot of you guys as well. So keep those comments coming, and as always, like and share, and we'll see you on the flip side.